Alrighty guys, just wanted to do a quick review on this on the page 715, how I changed this box so you understand what we're doing here. Remember, if we are going from a bigger unit of measurement to a smaller unit, we are going to multiply. So I drew an arrow to show that that is going to be multiplication. All of the other ones that they show are with the conversion are technically, if I continue doing this, it would be division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that going from pints to cups is going to be multiplication. From quarts to pints, multiplication. From gallons to quarts, multiplication. Because whenever I'm going from a bigger unit of measurement to a smaller unit of measurement, you multiply. A gallon is a bigger size container than a quart would be. So let's look at the back, and we're going to do two problems together. So the first problem is you're going to have some that look like this that you're going to complete. It says how many quarts or how many pints are in 10 quarts. So I actually wrote down, you would flip your page over, you would look in to see what I is on the other side of page 715. But what I'm going to do is I actually wrote this up here. I wrote the connection between pints and cups. And we know that, if we're going from quarts to pints right here, quarts to pints, sorry, I got ahead of myself, we are going to multiply. So we are going from quarts to pints. And to here we have quarts and we're going to pints. We're going to multiply against our conversion rate, which is 2. So we're going to multiply 10 times 2 and get 20 pints. So in 10 quarts is 20 pints. The hard part might be if you are dealing with a half. Remember that a half can also be considered a 0.5. So if you're going to write that down, it would be 3.5 cups. Next, we're going to do here where we are going to be looking, my mistake that I said earlier. On this one, we're going to be looking at the conversion rate to go from pints to cups. Now, if I am going from my bigger unit of measurement to my smaller, look at that, my bigger unit of measurement to my smaller unit of measurement, I am going to multiply. So if it's 1 pint, I already know right here it says that it's going to be 2 cups. What did I do? I multiplied by 2. Now that I know that I'm multiplying by 2, I can do it for all of them. If I have 2 pints, if I multiply that by 2, I know that's going to be 4 cups. 3 pints, I multiply by 2 and get 6 cups. If it's 4 pints, I multiply by 2 and get 8 cups. And then, of course, over here, we're just going to write our connection with the pints to cups. So I want to make sure you really pay attention when you're writing these down and you're looking at them, and I'm going to flip it back over, is when you are writing them down or looking at these, that you understand if you are going from the bigger unit of measurement to a smaller one, you multiply. You see how I rewrote that? I actually put the bigger one first. I just did that for myself, but you're probably going to be using this chart on 715. Do your best. You're only going to do 1 page today on the converting and to practice that. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or to let me know.